make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I change the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. And something about how your ex was a toy. I guess he played games. There's only diamond dice here, not trying to justify. But when you shut your eye, you can touch the sky. You in trouble, ma, and you should pray about speed. But it's just about you, what they say about me. But when I finally found the words to say, I would've been running away, simply running away.
Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big brass bed. Lay, lady, lay, lay across my big brass bed. Whatever colors you have in your mind, I'll show them to you, and you'll see them shine. Stay, lady, stay, stay while the night is still ahead.
See, I'm a crip in dark blue chucks, and I does what I does, yeah, I might say cuz. It's really weird cause the got love. Snoop Dogg's a crip and the girl was a blood. She told me that her baby daddy was a thug. Now it is what it is, and it was not was. I'm hollering little mama like wood. Monday morning stack trying to get my cheese back. All these memories breed seeds of a rhythm rhyme pleaser. Laid back while we sipping on the breezer. Fresh 4-pack sitting in the freezer. Ain't that Khadijah? I heard she was a skeezer. She used to hit them licks with the visas. When I seen her with the homies, I was like, Jesus. It's been a little minute since I seen her. Hope I'm in the runner cause I have to pull a Nina.
There's something